Today marks the 4th anniversary of Korea's free trade deal with the United States. Thanks in part to the FTA, Seoul's exports to Washington have steadily risen and its share of the world's largest market has hit a 15-year high. Kim Min-ji has this report.
It's been 4 years since the Korea U.S. free trade deal came into effect. Although Korea's overall exports have been on a downward spiral for 14 straight months in the face of uncertainties at home and abroad, the country's shipments to the U.S. have fared relatively well thanks to the FTA. Last year, Korea's total exports fell 8% on year, while outbound shipments to the U.S. edged down just 0.6%. Korea's share of the U.S. market also reached 3.2% last year, the highest in 15 years. The figure might seem small, but compared to Japan, which does not have a bilateral trade deal with the U.S., Korea has been on a steady upward trend.
The utilization rate of the FTA hit 71% last year, with Korea's shipments of automobile parts and tires posting notable growth. Although the market share seems like a small figure given the sheer size of the U.S. market, it's significant.
As for Korea's imports from the U.S., shipments fell slightly last year. While there was an uptick in automobiles and LPG, the overall drop was mainly driven by a slump in imports of grain, stock feed, and medical products. And despite Korean farmers' concerns that imports of agricultural produce, livestock, and fish from the U.S. would rise, inbound shipments of those goods fell over 10% last year from the year before. Down the line, the prospects for Korean automakers are looking good, as a 2.5% export tariff was eliminated at the start of this year. Other sectors to benefit include the auto parts industry, industrial boilers, and chemical supplies. But some experts say the benefits of the FTA may be short-lived.
I think it's one-dimensional for us to say the Korea U.S. FTA is bringing us benefit. That's true. But at the same time, if we think about the future may be heavily affected by how other countries behave and excel in the U.S. market, because they are competing with the Korean exporters in the U.S. market.
Experts say it's important for Korea to position itself well in the markets it already has a presence in before its competitors gain a stronger foothold. Kim Min-ji, Arirang News.